Hello everyone. My name is Aswanya Raja and I am a life coach. So today I want to introduce myself and I want to give my complete introduction, why and how I started as a life coach, and how I am practicing that, and how I can help other peoples, and how many peoples I have already helped in my in my past days or past months. Actually I am a life coach, and I believe I have a very strong belief that my life is very easy and very effortlessly, but in a time while going through the life, I got into a phase which was very critical and very hard for me. And at that time, fortunately, I got to know about my life coach, and he helped me very well, and he helped me to upgrade my skills, and he helped me to take me out of that situation which I was facing for a very long period of time. And with the help of my life coach, I am able to sort out my life, and I love that process how he did that with me. And from very long period of time in my life, when I was in my college, I used to attend a different motivational sessions, and I love to meet new people who can help me to grow in my life and give me some motivation that what I need to do, and how I can stay positive, and how I can achieve my goals and dreams which I always want to. So this is what I love to do in my college time, university time. Unfortunately, the thing which I realized after going through a lot of sessions and different events in all across my country, I find out that these the last the effect of after the session is done, the after effect is for very temporary. It doesn't last for like a couple of months or for long period of time. I do get motivated when I attend the sessions, and things looks different to me. But after that, it is very hard for me to stay in that zone and in that mindset. So this is something which I was very upset about it, and I was not I don't feel good about that. I do attend the sessions, I spend money, I go to different sessions, meet different motivational speakers, but at the end I'm not getting what I want for long period of my time. So after that, I just got into my life and started my job, and I got back to the track for my career. But the thing I always love about those sessions is the motivation, the hype, the energy which I got from there was tremendous. I always miss that. But after going through that period of my hard period of my time life, I came to got to know my life coach, and he helped me with a lot of things, and he helped me to realize that what are the things that are not what are the things that are going wrong in my life. So he was able to recognize those patterns, or recognize those blockages which are stopping me to achieve what I want in my career, in my relationships. The relationship was the main part which I was struggling a lot. So he helped me to recognize that, and after recognizing, he helped me to heal all those wounds which I have. And once the healing was done, then he helped me to upgrade those emotions and upgrade those positive belief and take positive action. So I did that, and so that's why I'm here today with you. And I love the process how he did that, and it's not like temporary solution. It will last for it can be last for my lifelong. And the skills which I got is like tremendous. It's very impressive. So it's not like if I am doing so that's how I love the process, and I fell into love again with life coaching, and I can help other people's, and I can change their life as well if they're feeling stuck, or if they are going through some tough time in their life. So I can help you guys. So this is something which I really want to share. So this is my life, how I got into the life coaching, and how I got help by my life coach, and how I can help other people's to break those limiting beliefs and break those habits which they are getting they are into, due to which the results of life, they are like having constant fight, due to which we have constant fight with our relationship, not getting along with our boss, and having bad relationship with the money. If the money we earn, that all the money goes away at the end of day. So this is something which we need to learn the skills, how we can upgrade ourselves, how we can handle those things. And the thing which I like a lot about my coach, and he also mentioned that he also got a life coaching from his mentors, and he said if I am the one who is got into some problems, and it's very hard for me to get out of that problem. If I'm able to get out of that problem, why should I create the problem at the first place? So that's why the life coaching is very important. And if someone if you are in any trouble, if you are facing any problem in your relationship, be open about it. Be seek help from others to whom you know, and who you know they already have the experience, and they can help you out to cross that period of time, and they can help you to solve the problem as well. So this is something which I really want to share. And if you love that, please do like, subscribe, and please comment. And if you have the same experience and want to get coach or something like that, drop a comment, and I will share a link, and I can schedule a free one-to-one call with you, and I can we can figure out how was the things are going wrong in your life, and how I can help you to get out of that situation and upgrade yourself. Thank you. See you next time.